Hello everyone, Ishani here. And firstly, I want to wish you all a very happy new year. As a part of the CrafTangles design team, they have sent me the new release and today I'm unboxing the same. I'm their design of cards. So the products sent to me are the ones that I can use on my projects. There are many more products released for decoupage and mixed media. Don't forget to check the website for the same. Here's my box that I just received and let me open it for you all to see what treasure is inside. Oh. Oh, so cool. These shaker elements are so beautiful. These are white matte hearts and white shimmer. Ooh, and red shimmer. Wow. And here there are stars. Beautiful. White shimmer stars, silver and gold. Just beautiful. And here there are blending brushes by CrafTangles. Recently launched. One packet has 3 of these. Wow. Beautiful. Look at those bristles. Wow, so soft. Blending will be beautiful with these. You must try these brushes. They're amazing to blend with. Next we have Mixed Media Essentials Fine Glitter. These are 2, Shimmer Dust and Fairy Dust. And this is a glimmer paste in Fairy Dust. Let's see if we can see how it looks, the fine glitter. It's closed. I'll show it next time when I'm doing a project. But these will be great for not just card making, but for any craft thing which we're doing with kids also. They'll love it. Glitter. And the glimmer paste. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what's here in the Oh, these are stencils. So stencils are the new release. There are this round stencils. Beautiful. Oh, the masking stencils. Amazing. I'm gonna enjoy these. Wow, beautiful. So we have 3 circles, different size, and masks for them. Wow, I always use die cuts for masking, and now this will be a staple for my cards. Amazing. So we have one stencil which is 3 parts and then mask for that, and now these are rectangles. Beautiful. So the rectangles also have 3 parts. We have 3 rectangles, different size, and masks to go with them. Very nice. This will be perfect for blending. I think it's just made our lives easier with all the blending and masking that we have been doing. Very. These are amazing ideas. Next are these heart stencils, and these also have 3 stencils in them and masks. So the sizes of the size of the hearts are varying, and so is the mask. cover same hearts in 3 different sizes. And then here are the stamps. So the first stamp here is what I need, is you are what I need in my life. Lovely. And the second stamp is love you to the moon and back. And the third stamp is love you loads. And you have so many sentiments to go with it. Love is all we need. Love you so much. Love you always. Beautiful. So many combinations. And then you have one which has outlines and one which is solid stamp. Then we have these element pack, sentiments pack. So these are sentiment sheets with various love sentiments. I love you, and you can cut these and put it in your projects. Such amazing. I'm so glad you happened to me. All of me loves all of you. Amazing. So all the sentiments related to love, and the Valentine's is around the corner, so they'll all be used now. Beautiful. The amazing set of sentiments on these sheets. And then there is one in black. One is white and the other has a black background with white font. The sentiments are the same, so all of these are similar sentiments. Love sentiments too, and the similar sentiments in both the sheets. Next we have spring flowers. So this is spring flower 1. It has flowers. Beautiful. Look at these flowers and the leaves. Beautiful. I love the color also. So there's spring flowers 1 element pack, and it has 3 sheets. Beautiful. Look at those flowers. The details are beautiful. And then this other is spring flower 2. Beautiful flowers in these two. And the third sheet is of leaves. Gorgeous. Beautiful. Spring flower 1, spring flower 2. So every sheet collection has 3 sheets with flowers and leaves together. It is 250 GSM sheet in A4 size. Gorgeous. I think these will make beautiful cards. I'm going to use them. I love the elements pack. Beautiful. The sentiments stamps are gorgeous too. All Valentine Day kinds. The stencils, oh, these will be my favorite now. This love stamp, fabulous. Oh, and these shaker elements, lovely. Here are the fine dust, glimmer paste, fine glitter, and the shaker elements in various iridescent colors. Beautiful. So we have 3 stars and 3 hearts. Gorgeous. White and red. Beautiful. And the blending brushes, amazing. So this release is beautiful and fabulous for the upcoming crafts which we all would be doing for the Valentines. Beautiful. I loved my DT kit. I hope you liked all the stuff too, and there's so much more which has been released for the January release. Please go on to the handmade blog and on the handmade website, and you'll see amazing decoupage papers and so many more things which has been released. Don't forget to check them out and keep watching for the space as I create various cards with these products. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.